So how long would you make the guy wait?
Bang out.
Like 3 months.
3?
Yeah, to like completely have
Intimate time.
Yeah, but like we could like maybe mess around before that. You know, you gotta like tease him a little bit so then he sticks around.
3 months.
Of course.
I would be out. I'd be so over it waiting 3 months. That's so long.
I don't know. It's worked lots of times, so
You've done the 3 months many times.
not many times, but I mean it's worked enough to like whether or not I've slept with them after the 3 months, it's worked to keep them around.
Stop the cap.
So in that case, if you're waiting 3 months, what's going to be the move to figure out if what they have downstairs is worth it?
You have to feel it. You have to do the check.
So you got to, are you going underneath the pants? Are you going outside the pants? Like how are you handling it?
Outside of the pants will suffice. It's fine.
So basically you need to get a touch and then kind of maybe look down to see like what it looks like down there.
Where's the package?
Just a touch is fine.
That's all you need.
Yeah. I guess I could get a peek too. Yeah, but
What if he's not like completely, solid and you're judging it falsely?
Not even hard yet.
these are too many what ifs. Well, then I guess I judged it falsely.
Then he lost out. Maybe you lost out. Who knows?
I missed my chance.
How often do you need bedroom fun?
I would say like a couple times a week is fine for me.
What?
You're not a daily person.
I could go a few days without it.
How long is too long without bedroom fun?
I would say like 2 weeks. I don't think start. Yeah, I would say that's.
So if you're going that long, you're having solo fun to like make it a little easier.
Excuse me?
Right, Kevin. Exactly.
That's what I be doing. That's what I do.
Yeah. I feel like we don't normally go that long though. Maybe like a week. I feel like the longest we go on an average is like a week or something,
Yeah, it depends on like how busy you are, how much traveling someone might be doing, and like, all kinds of different at that point.